Hello friends, and welcome to yoga. Today we have a flowy, heart-centered class rooted in gratitude. We'll move fluidly, returning again and again to the breath and creating space in the body, not with the intention of achieving anything, but with the intention of appreciating what's already here. When you're ready, let's begin kneeling at the back of the mat. Close the eyes and sweep the arms overhead on an inhale. Exhale, draw the hands to your heart. Inhale, arms reach overhead. Exhale, hands to the heart. Let's do this again. Inhale, breathe in, gathering up gratitude, and exhale, drawing that into your heart center. Pause here with the hands at your heart and draw to mind something for which you are grateful. It doesn't have to be anything big, just whatever comes to mind. And now float the eyes open, sweep the arms overhead, and as you exhale, plant the palms in front of you, coming into tabletop pose. On an inhale, drop the belly. As you exhale, round the spine, chin to the chest. Let's flow this. Inhale, open the heart, and exhale, round the spine. Keep it flowing. Each time the heart opens, see if you can let in just a little more appreciation. As you continue to flow, see if you can let gratitude flow with the breath. Gratitude for a body that moves and a breath that flows freely. And now come back to neutral tabletop, tuck the toes, press into a plank pose, bend the knees, send the hips back and then up to the sky for downward dog. Inhale, ripple forward, high plank. Exhale, bend the knees, send the hips up. Just like a wave, flow with your breath forward, and exhales take you back. Close your eyes. Feel the movement. The next time you find yourself in downward dog, stay there. Pedal out through the feet. Take any movements that feel opening to your body. And then sink the heels toward the mat. Lift the sit bones high. Allow the heart to melt toward the shins. Invite in another thought of thankfulness, even if it's just for this breath. On your inhale, ripple forward to high plank pose. Exhale, lower halfway. Inhale, upward facing dog. Stay here for the exhale. Breathe in. And as you exhale, gaze over the left shoulder. Inhale, come back through center, and exhale, gaze over the right shoulder. Inhale, back through center, exhale, gaze left. Inhale, center, exhale, gaze right. Inhale, center, and exhale, press back to downward facing dog. Deep breath in and deep, full breath out. Let your mind become absorbed in the sound of the breath and step to the top of your mat. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, come into your forward fold. You might even reach around, clasping behind the ankles or the calves to deepen the fold. And now softly release the hands. Roll yourself up to standing, sweeping the arms up and overhead. Exhale, hands through the heart center as you dive forward. Inhale, let's rise back up, reaching the arms overhead, gazing up, opening the heart. Exhale, hands through center as you dive forward. One more time. Inhale, reach the arms up and overhead. Exhale, hands come through the heart, dive it forward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And now let's place the palms underneath the feet, toes, kiss the wrists. As you come into another forward fold, just stretch out those wrists. Notice the steadiness beneath you and feel how you are supported by the earth. Breathe in, breathe out. And now let's gently release the palms. Softly bend the knees and roll yourself back up to standing. Sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, dive it forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine. And exhale, plant the palms as you step back to a high plank pose. Lower halfway. Inhale, upward dog, heart leads the way. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe in, breathe out. Bend the knees, walk or jump forward, lengthen your spine, and exhale, deepen your fold. Inhale, lengthen the spine. This time, step the right foot to the back of the mat, lower the right knee, sweep the arms up and overhead for Anjaneyasana. Exhale, hands to the heart center. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. Exhale, hands to the heart. As the arms move through the heart center, acknowledge something you're grateful for, big or small. Keep it flowing. Lower body steady, arms moving. Rest your hands at your heart center. Let's tuck the back toes, lift the back knee. Inhale. Exhale, root the feet. Feel the steadiness of that low body, and now sweep the arms to the sides, palms face up, a gesture of receptivity. And now we'll spin open into Warrior Two, palms still facing up. Drop the shoulders down and away from your ears. And now draw the hands to your heart as you bend the right knee, straighten the left leg, and sit down into Skandhasana. Let's just hold it here for a few breath cycles, allowing that thigh to open and release. Arms can extend in opposite directions. Flex the left foot. Draw the hands back to your heart center. And now we're going to shift over to the other side, this time bending the left knee. Sink down, Skandhasana. One more time, shifting over, bending the right knee, and then bending the left knee. Let's open here for a Warrior Two. Rise up, left knee is bent. We'll turn to face the top of the mat, coming into crescent lunge. Lower the palms, step back to high plank, and take your chaturanga flow. In your downward facing dog, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Gaze forward, walk or jump to the top of the mat, lengthen the spine. Exhale, deepen your fold. Inhale, rise up to standing, opening the heart. Exhale, draw the hands through your center as you fold. Inhale for length. Exhale, step the left foot to the back of the mat. Lower the left knee. Reach the arms up and overhead. Exhale, hands come to your heart. Lower body is steady. Let's take the flow with the arms. Inhale, reach high. Exhale, hands to the heart. Each time the arms move, you're inviting gratitude into your heart center. Keep it flowing. And now let's tuck the back toes, rise up into crescent lunge. Find the steadiness of the low body. Get rooted and grounded, and then open the arms wide, palms face up, coming back to that gesture of receptivity. Heart is open. And now we'll open into our Warrior II. Right knee is bent, palms still face up to the sky. So notice that gratitude comes first, and then we have the gesture of receptivity. Let's bend into Skandhasana, bending the left knee, straighten the right leg. Hands can stay at the heart or reach in opposite directions. As we practice gratitude, we become more receptive to the things we want to bring into our lives. So whatever it is that you want to call in, whatever you want to manifest, let gratitude be step one. Hands come back to your heart center. And then we're going to shift this over to the other side as you're ready. And one more time to the left and to the right. Let's open up now for our Warrior II. Right knee is bent, arms extend. Turn to face the top of the mat, coming back into crescent lunge. Lower the hands to the heart center. Drop the hands down. Step back and take your chaturanga flow. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Let it go. Gaze forward. Walk or jump to the top of the mat. Lengthen the spine. Exhale, deepen your fold. Inhale for length. And now separate the feet just a little wider. Toes can point to the corners of the mat. Bend the knees. Squat down for Malasana. Hands come back to the heart center. Sometimes gratitude is just noticing what is already here. Just creating that awareness. And that's what we practice in yoga. Just being aware. Can you bring that awareness in now? Notice your body. Notice your breath. Practice noticing what's already here with you. And now let's straighten the legs, heel toe the feet to touch, and just bend the knees, squat down, and come into a comfortable seat. Lift the legs off of the earth, knees can stay bent or straighten. Just a moment to strengthen the core. Breathe in, breathe out. You have a strong core, you are strong. And now feet on the earth. Extend the legs in front of you. Reach the arms up and overhead. As you exhale, clasp the feet, the ankles, or the shins, and come into your seated fold. Just let the torso drape forward in complete surrender. As you fold forward, let gratitude soften effort and create space where you no longer need to push. Simply be. You are enough just as you are. Inhale. Let the spine get long. Reach the arms overhead. Plant the palms behind you, fingertips face forward, and just lift the hips for a little counter pose, stretching out the shoulders, completely opening the heart. Inhale, appreciation. Exhale, tension. Gaze forward, lower the hips back down to the mat. And from here, let's simply find our way into a comfortable Sukhasana, seated cross-legged pose. Find stillness in your body, calmness in your breath. Close the eyes. Tune into your heart center. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. As you exhale, draw the hands to your heart center. Thank you for this moment. Inhale, reach the arms high. Exhale, hands to the heart. I'm grateful to be here. Inhale, reach the arms overhead, breathing in positivity. Exhale, hands to the heart, feeling gratitude in your body. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, let go of tension. Yogis, I am thankful for each one of you. I appreciate you joining me today. Namaste. If this practice helped you to feel a sense of gratitude for your body, your breath, or this moment, you're welcome to like this video. And if there's something you're feeling grateful for today, I'd love for you to share it in the comments.